delivering the latest news and ultimate happenings
From the campus up to the country. This is
and
N
updates.
National University unveiled the Golden Bulldog Monument and hosted the Pagdiriwang sa Kalye Hoxon, honoring the Golden Double Championship of the men's and women's volleyball teams on May 28 at MF Hoxon Street, Sampaloc, Manila.
In a grand celebration of triumph and legacy, the grounds of the university's Camilo Otias Hall were witness to a momentous event as the Bulldog statue, a cherished emblem of victory and perseverance, was revealed amidst the fervor of the university's athletes' success this season. Leading the occasion were esteemed figures of NU, including Chairman of the Board Dr. Hans T.C. and CEO President Dr. Renato Carlos H. Ermita Jr., accompanied by Tony Zamora, the visionary artist behind the statue. The event also drew a gathering of NU alumni, faculty, students, and volleyball teams, reflecting the profound significance of this occasion. The honor of the ceremony fell upon the shoulders of outgoing NU men's volleyball players Nico Almendras and Joshua Retamar. For generations, it has embodied commitment, determination, and resilience, inspiring the NU community to strive for greatness despite challenges.
Afterward, NU took the celebration to the street as they recognized the student athletes who excelled in various sports in the UAAP Season 86 besides volleyball, such as the basketball, baseball, and athletics teams. Vice President for Operations Dr. Arlene Trillanes opened the street party by welcoming the distinguished guests in her opening remarks, along with the Athletics Director Dr. Restico Camangyan, who spearheaded the celebration and delivered an inspirational speech expressing his utmost appreciation for the student athletes and their countless achievements this UAAP season. The event continued with a dance performance from the NU Pep squad, followed by the volleyball team's coaches and players giving speeches and expressing their gratitude and love for the NU community and supporters. Featured performances by bands Thrasius, Rise and Lullabies, Hey June, Grace Note, and The Ones graced the street of Hoxon, ending the night with the blast.
In the heart of Hoxon, the jubilant commemoration of NU's victory filled the blue skies with golden-hearted cheers. As the festivities conclude, the NU community stands tall with pride, poised to embrace the triumphs that lie ahead.
Get the latest news
And ultimate happenings from us,
NU International.
I am Denise Iron Tubig
And I am Kessler Rabago of PNTV
reporting.